Hello, guys, and welcome to the channel Tech It Simple. Today, we're going to talk about how to install Office 365. Initially, search for Office Customization tool on your browser and click on the first link. Select the 64-bit version, then Office 365. As in the video, you can choose the apps you want here. Click Next, select the language. We normally don't change the settings, and just click Next. But in this section, Upgrade Options, we turn it off. Click Next. Then, we really don't do anything, we just click Next. Export it. Please note that we export it in an XML format. Again, search for the Office Deployment tool in your browser and download it. Now, go to Local Disk C and create a folder named Office 365. Move the downloaded files to the recently created folder Office 365. Simply install the setup file. Go to this PC, Local Disk C, and choose the Office 365 folder that you just created. Run Command Prompt as an administrator and go to the location of the recently created Office 365 folder. Input the lines as shown and hit Enter. Now, we can see a Microsoft pop-up. After running for some time, Microsoft will start downloading and then will install on your device. After Microsoft Office is finally installed, click on the Start button of your device. Then, search for Word or any other Microsoft app, maybe Excel, PowerPoint, anything. And as you can see, Microsoft Office has been successfully installed on our device. For more videos like this, remember to like, share, and subscribe.